Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And in order to add an audio file, click on Files section. Then select Audio filter at the top. Click on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Wherever you decide, when you find your file, hold it and hit select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully attached. In order to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Click on Gallery. Select your video from here or tap on Folders and hold it over here the same way. Then tap on Select as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!